Insurance. What is insurance? Insurance is a contract represented by a policy in which an individual or entity receive financial protection or reimbursement against losses from an insurance company. The company pools clients' risk to make payments more affordable for the insured. Insurance policies are used to hedge against the risk of financial losses, both big and small, that may result from damage to the insured or her property, or from liability for damage or injury caused to the third party. How insurance works? There is a multitude of different types of insurance policies available, and virtually any individual or business can find an insurance company willing to insure them for a price. The most common types for personal insurance policy are auto, health, homeowners, and life. Most individuals in the United States have at least one of these types of insurance, and car insurance is required by law. Key takeaways: insurance is a contract policy in which an insurer indemnifies another against losses from specific contingencies or perils. There are many types of insurance policies. Life, health, homeowners, and auto are the most common forms of insurance. The core component that make up most insurance policies are the deductible, policy limit, and premium. Business require special types of insurance policies that insure against specific types of risk faced by a particular business. For example, a fast food restaurant need a policy that covers damage or injury that occurs as a result of cooking with a deep fryer. An auto dealer is not subject to this type of risk but does require coverage of damage or injury that could occur during test drive. There are also insurance policies available for very specific needs, such as kidnap and ransom, medical malpractice, and professional liability insurance, also known as error and omission insurance. Insurance policy components. When choosing a policy, it is important to understand how insurance works. A firm understanding of these concepts goes a long way in helping you choose the policy that best suits your needs. For instance, whole life insurance may or may not be the right type of life insurance for you. There are three components of any type of insurance: premium, policy limit, and deductible that are crucial. Premium. A policy premium is its price, typically expressed as a monthly cost. The premium is determined by the insurer based on your business types risk profile, which may include credit worth. For example, if you own several expensive automobiles and have an history of reckless driving, you will likely pay more for an policy than someone with a single mid-range sedan and a perfect driving record. However, different insurers may charge different premium for similar policies, so finding the price that is right for you requires some legal work. Policy limit. The policy limit is the maximum amount an insurer will pay under a policy for a covered losses. Maximum may be best per period, annual or policy term, per losses or injury, or over the life of the policy, also known as the lifetime maximum. Typically, higher limit carry higher premium for a general life insurance policy. The maximum amount the insurer will pay is referred to as face value, which is amount paid to a beneficiary upon the death of the insurer. Deductible. The deductible is a specific amount the policyholder must pay out of pocket before insurer pay a claim. Deductibles serve as deterrents to large volume of small and insignificant claims. pay with 1,000 in virtual cash.